Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to add a watcher on ClickUp, so the right people on your team are always notified when a task gets updated. If you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more ClickUp tips, and let's get right into it. Start by opening ClickUp and signing into your account. Once you're in, your workspace will be waiting on the left-hand sidebar. From the sidebar, navigate to the space, folder, or list that contains the task you want to monitor. ClickUp organizes work in a hierarchy, so just drill down until you find the right location. Click on the task you want to add a watcher to. Depending on your settings, the task window will either slide open on the right side of your screen or expand into a full screen view. Either way, you're in the right place. With the task open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll find the Watchers section there, usually represented by a small eye icon. Click that eye icon or the Watchers label to get started. If an Add Watcher option appears, click it. This opens a search field where you can find any member of your workspace. Type in the name of the team member you want to add. ClickUp filters results as you type, so the right person should appear quickly. Click their name in the drop-down list and they're instantly added as a watcher. No extra confirmation steps, it takes effect right away. Now glance at the Watchers section to confirm that their name or profile picture has appeared in the list. That's your visual confirmation the watcher has been added successfully. If you need to add more than one person, just repeat the process. Click the eye icon again, search for the next team member, and click their name. Add as many watchers as the task requires. Once you're finished, close the task window. ClickUp saves watcher changes automatically, so nothing else is needed. Going forward, every watcher you added will receive notifications whenever someone comments, updates the status, or makes any change to the task. It's one of the most effective ways to keep your team aligned without anyone having to ask for updates. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to add a watcher on ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.